Good morning, good day, good night, whenever you're watching this video. Today is all about tackling my mom's primary bedroom and giving it a deep cleaning and a fall refresh. So you know what to do. Just keep watching. And if you're new here, well, go ahead and subscribe. I think you'll love it here with my Priceless family. Without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. So grab a drink and a snack, or better yet, pop me up on one of your devices and let's clean together. Because this is more than just a light straightening up. We're getting in the cracks and the crevices from floor to ceiling. So mom has been kicked out of her room, as I always do, for about 24 to 36 hours. But she doesn't mind. How often do you clean your walls? I generally clean my walls seasonally. That means every time I'm changing decor in a room, I'm cleaning from ceiling to floor. In the comments below, tell me, what are your top 3 cleaning supplies? Remember, if your paint finish is eggshell, semi-gloss, high gloss, or all base, you can clean your walls with a light washing using a diluted solution of liquid dishwashing soap and warm water. Make sure your cleaning solution is not too soapy. So depending on the concentration of your dish soap, you should use, I'll say, only a drop or 2 per half gallon of water. And if you don't want to use dishwashing liquid, then mix 2 tablespoons of white vinegar with a half gallon of warm water. And as always, make sure that your cloth or your sponge is damp. You heard me. Use a damp cloth or sponge. And make sure to dry your walls when you're done. So my next step is vacuuming. Generally, vacuuming is done once a week. However, if it's in a high traffic area, then I suggest vacuuming twice per week. Because you know, crumbs, they work their way into the rug fibers, they decay, it causes odor, there's a bacteria buildup, and we don't want any of that. Hard surfaces, including vinyl, ceramic tiles, stone, and laminate flooring, should be cleaned at least once per week as well. And sweeping, well, you know, we sweep all day, every day. So this is mom's favorite chair. And I know this is a chair that normally goes in a nursery, but mom loves this chair. And until we can talk her into getting a new chair, well, this is the chair. So I remove the cushions. I'm wiping and dusting it down. I'm using some disinfectant, and then I'll replace the refresh cushions. Mom, your chair is all clean. I'm simply wiping down my headboard. I've added my mattress protector, and I'm giving it a light spray of Lysol. Next, I'll add my fitted and my flat sheet. I'll give that a spray of wrinkle release, and day 1, it will come to an end. So let me introduce myself. I am Katrina, and this is the Priceless Pearl Life. It's a lifestyle channel. I share my love of home decor, cooking, baking, cleaning, vlogs, shopping hauls, and so much more. You can join me on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6 o'clock p.m. And make sure you subscribe so you won't miss that notification, that alert. So the weather is getting a little cooler here in South Carolina. So I'm adding a lamb's wool blanket to mom's bed. The lamb's wool, it is soft, it's fluffy, it's warm, and it's durable. And most of all, when mom slides into bed, she'll be nice and toasty. Next up, I'm adding my sleeping pillows. I have 2 standard pillows, which are 20 by 26. And even though mom's bed is a queen, she loves her king pillows. King pillows are 20 by 36. Next up are 2 Euro pillows. These are 25 by 25.
Your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk there with me. I know a place where we can be free. There is a light shining for you, guiding your way, helping you through. When shadows and gloom are all that you see, we'll find a place where we can be free. From the mountain top down to the deepest valley, hear a voice calling you. It's the rising sun shining in the darkest valley. Can't you see you will be free? I have been far, I have been wide, searching for peace, somewhere to hide. Now I am free, open and pure, fearless and babe. I am secure. There is no dark that can't be lit. We'll find a way if we just commit. We are one. There is no them and us. Together we're strong. Together we're free. From the mountain top down to the deepest valley, hear a voice calling you. It's the rising sun shining in the darkest valley. Can't you see you will be free? Can't you see you will be free? You will be free. Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take
If you enjoyed today's video, I would appreciate you giving me a big thumbs up, because liking my videos and leaving a comment, it really helps my channel out. It tells YouTube that you love what I'm doing here on the channel, and more people need to see the Priceless Pearl life. So I appreciate your support. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.